Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this scary pop-up illustration. So, keep watching! This is our spread. It should look dark and gloomy. These elements will serve as mountains. In order to create this white effect, just use any sharp tool and scratch the paper. Then, create V-folds on these mountains according to the position you like. Now, let's put the shadow ghost. I just simply attached it onto this element so that it will stand. Okay, so now let's add our character. The concept is, our character is running on this road of fear while the shadow ghost is following it. Pop-uppers, this situation is present in many of us. Many times in our life, we are full of fears, anxieties, and worries. Sometimes, our minds are full of ghosts and shadows of lies. So whenever you are in this situation, take courage. You are not alone. God is with you, and God will take care of you. Alright, so let's add another element, which is the tree. It would also help the ghost element not to fall backward. Finally, let's add cobwebs effect. I just use some little pieces of cottons and put them everywhere to make the environment much scarier. Okay, so here's our scary pop-up illustration. Thank you, pop-uppers. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.